Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hit the subscribe button to join the family. Like, comment, share, you know the drill. Alright, so today's video is going to be one that everybody will like, because who doesn't like to save money? Money is everybody's business, so make sure you stay tuned, watch the entire video, share the video with a friend, and just do the right thing. About a week ago I made a video how to order on Shein. So if you're seeing this video and you are new to Shein, or you're not sure how to go about ordering, then watch that video and then come back to this one for the good things them. So in this video I'm going to tell you guys all the tips and tricks I know, all the Shein hacks that you can use. Well, they are not really hacks, they are legitimate ways that you can save money on the app. And yeah, so we say cheap and clean, body on a budget and the works. Let's get right into it. So the first way to save on the app is to add a reference code. So Shein has a stackable discount feature where you add a reference code and you get a referral discount of $2 on every single order. And I'll show you how to do it on the screen. You just go to your profile, so go to me, and then you will select my reference from the options, and then you just add the code. I'll leave a reference code on the screen and you just add that and you get a $2 off every order automatically at checkout. Alright, good. Next way you're going to save now is you can use another coupon in addition to that $2 off. And sometimes you can use 15% off, you can get 15% off, you can get 20% off, you can get 10% off, depending on the amount of your order. So I'm going to leave 2 coupons on the screen that you can use for the month of May. But Shein always have coupons. They'll automatically put them on your page. You just need to check the app, or they will send you an email and you'll see them. Trust me, you can't miss them. So how you apply that now, you just go to the checkout, select your items them, and then on the checkout page you will see where you can apply your coupon. The ones that I'm leaving here that you can use, they will give you up to 20% off your order. So the next way you can save money on Shein is by earning points. Shein has a points system and it is very easy to earn points. I'm going to tell you all the ways you can earn points. First thing first, you want to check in every day on the app. I will leave a little video on the screen to show you how to check in. You want to check in every day. The more you check in, the more points you get. Try to check in every day, because when you check in consistently, you get bonus points for that. Alright, next thing now, you want to whenever you place an order, you want to confirm your delivery and you want to review your items. If you post, if you add picture to your review, you get more points. If people like your review, you get more points as well. So that is one way you can stack up your points, because 100 points is equal to $1. So if I have 5,000 points, so that's a $50. So try get as much points as possible. So review your items, confirm delivery. That is one way, and check in. And I recently discovered this new way, and I wish I knew this earlier, because I could be getting, I could be adding these points up. In addition to the check-in points, you can get 10 points every single day by just uploading 2 pictures on the Shein app. Like literally how you would upload a picture on Instagram or a picture on Facebook, you can upload a picture on Shein. I guess it's recommended to upload a picture wearing a Shein item, but it is not a must. So if you are new and you haven't placed an order, you can still just upload regular pictures, I guess, because I tried it and there was no requirement to upload a specific picture. I'll show you guys how to do it on the screen. It's basically like a show contest, so it's basically like just to interact with the other Sheinistas or whatever Shein call we. So you just upload your picture them and you get your 10 points. Each picture you upload you get 5 points, but you can upload more than 2 pictures per day, but the maximum points you can earn from that is 10 points. So yeah, you can get 10 points every day from that. I've been doing that lately and it has been working for me, so let me know if it works for you as well and share it with a friend. Don't be selfish. No. So next thing you want to do to save money on Shein is as much as possible shop on Sundays, because on Sundays you get free shipping no matter the amount of your order. On regular days I think it's $49 and over that you have to spend to get free shipping, but on Sunday, all if you spend $5 you still get free shipping. So as best as possible, shop on Sundays and you get a free shipping, because guys, if I one thing me hate, I have to pay for shipping. Like I will literally cancel the whole order if I'm not getting free shipping. Trust me. I don't know if nobody still like me. Let me know in the comments, but yeah, that's me. Next thing now, you can get huge discounts on items by just checking Shein flash sales, and they have these pretty regularly. I think almost every day if I'm not mistaken, because I always see them when I go on the app, so me can't say nothing more than that. And you can get up to 80% off on these items that are on sale. So what's a better deal than that? So yeah, if you are about to place an order, if you're thinking about placing an order, be sure to check the flash sale section and see what they have on sale and what deals you can get, etc. So yes guys, that is all for this video. If you would like me to make more videos about Shein, drop your suggestions in the comments and let me know. I will have a Shein haul coming up soon because I'm getting a package pretty soon. So that's all I have for you today. Happy saving, and remember to share the video with a friend, guys. Remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, leave me a comment, motivation. Because sometimes I feel, me not telling no lie, sometimes I feel demotivated to come on here and record a video. But if you give me a little encouragement, when them say encouragement sweet and labor, if you give me like up a video so YouTube can send you out to more people, then I'll be very much more motivated to come on here and give you guys content. So yeah, just do that and stay tuned for the next video. Love you all. Bye.